I haven't made a video in a while. Sorry, but I forgot to record this. So I just had the idea. Slime. It's not that good. Okay. Let me get something. Oh God. So I have to record my videos. Okay. It's cool, right? You know. I don't want to use that much. Yeah, there. I'll make a poking noise. Eat. This is my very first slime I've ever made. I just used like the very original kind of ingredients. I'll show you the ingredients I made. What ingredients I used? Where is it? Okay, it's over here. Well, one of them I don't have anymore because I used it all. But okay, let me just get it.
Oh, no, what's that?
Oh, hey Dad, what's up? I'm making a video.
Hello, Lego. Oh, hi.
Look at that. Look what I made. Slime.
Hey. Hello, Lego.
I made a slime. My dad's home. Sorry about the loudness. But I'll show you the ingredients I use. I'll show you. It's heavy.
Don't waste too much of that borax.
No, I didn't use. No, I can't use it anymore. I used the borax. Boom. And I used glue, but it's all gone. Yeah, and it's comfy.
Ann went to 5 different places today. I didn't tell her to go that many places.
But hey, Dad.
No brown sweat, so we're going to use this. I know. So he can wear his black jeans or whatever.
Oh yeah.
And we'll just go with the flow and paint your nose.
I can't be Rudolph though because someone's already that.
I know, you're a reindeer.
Yeah, just I want to be a normal reindeer. Yeah, I have a play that
Here, put this on and show Dad how it looks on.
I'm gonna stop the recording.